Here are 5 pro tips and recommendations to make your mileage tracking a breeze. Once you are logged into your account, we recommend the following steps to ensure mileage capture success. Number 1. Check your mLog settings. Your settings will help you master mileage capture. The most important setting is your location services and battery optimization. To check these settings, select your mileage capture type, which is the word toward the top right corner of mLog. In this case, it's a magic trip. On the Settings page, select the System Permissions. It is important to have check marks next to each of the system permissions. For optimal mileage results, make sure the location's permissions or services are set to Always Allow. If the location settings are set to anything besides Always Allow, you will have challenges with mileage capture and accuracy. For example, if the location settings are set to only while using the app, your mileage capture will only work when the phone or device is only tracking mileage. The moment you use your phone for anything else while mileage tracking, your mileage capture will stop, and that is problematic for mileage accuracy. If you see an exclamation point next to either the location permissions or background refresh, select the exclamation mark and follow the recommendations for correction. Once completed, arrow back to the Home or Trips page. Number 2. We recommend enabling the debug logs as a proactive step to help us pinpoint any challenges you experience while using mLog. To enable the debug logs, select the menu icon on the Trips page. Next, select Adjust Vehicle Odometer. Then select your vehicle. If you have multiple vehicles, you only have to select one. Next, a window will appear prompting you to add the odometer reading. Enter the following numbers or code to activate the debug logs: 999 999. Again, that's 6 nines, and select OK. An on-screen message will appear letting you know the debug logs are enabled. Select OK, and continue using mLog as you normally would. Turning on the debug logs will not negatively impact your phone or mLog's performance. Later, if you experience the same or another issue, turn the debugs off and get the report to our team. The logs will help us identify hardware, software, app, or user issues. To disable the debug logs, select the menu icon on the Trips page. Next, select Adjust Vehicle Odometer. Then select your vehicle. Next, a window will appear prompting you to add the odometer reading. Enter 000 000. Again, that's 6 zeros, and select OK. An on-screen message will appear letting you know the debug logs are disabled. Select OK to add a comment, which is usually the date, trip, or time of the issue. We will need some information to diagnose the issue. Then select OK. An on-screen message will inform you that the logs were successfully sent. Select OK, and one of our team members will contact you to provide more information or a fix. Next, we recommend enabling the debug logs again, just in case you experience another challenge. Select the menu icon. Next, select Adjust Vehicle Odometer and select your vehicle. Enter the 999 999 and then select OK. Number 3. Changing a trip type. There will be times that you need to reclassify a trip. If you took a personal trip during business hours, or if you happen to take a business trip during personal hours, reclassifying a trip is really easy to do. There are 5 different ways to reclassify a trip. The 2 easiest are from the Trips page. Select the trip you would like to change. Swipe right on the trip to change the trip from business to personal, or swipe right to change a trip from personal to business. The second way to change a trip type is to select the B for business, and a drop-down menu will display. Select the appropriate trip type for the trip, and that's it. Number 4 is naming a location. This is an easy and necessary part of mileage capture. It will also keep you organized over time. There are multiple ways to name a trip, but the easiest is to name a location from the Trips page. Select the address you want to name. The Edit Location page will open. Below the map and the address is a location name field. Enter the name of the location and select Save. Once an address is named, when you revisit the location, the name of the location will appear. Number 5 is Health and Performance. Here are a few tips to help if you notice mLog is not functioning properly. Periodically, check for an update in the App Store. An update typically fixes any performance issues. Next, keep mLog running in the background of your phone or device. Remember, if you force quit mLog, your battery dies, you turn off your phone, or you update your operating system, you must reopen mLog. Lastly, if you are using an iPhone 6 or 7, you will want to open mLog every day to make sure it remains open. The iPhone 6 and 7 have battery performance issues that would close old apps that are running in the background. This concludes the mLog Pro Tips.